Evaluate cot 90 degrees minus theta into sin 90 degrees minus theta divided by sin theta plus cot 40 degrees divided by tan 50 degrees minus cos square 20 degrees plus cos square 70 degrees. Cot 90 degrees minus theta into sin 90 degrees minus theta divided by sin theta plus cot 40 degrees divided by tan 50 degrees minus cos square 20 degrees plus cos square 70 degrees is equal to cot 90 degrees minus theta is equal to tan theta into sin 90 degrees minus theta is equal to cos theta divided by sin theta plus cot 40 degrees is equal to cot 90 degrees minus 50 degrees divided by tan 50 degrees minus cos square 20 degrees is equal to cos square 90 degrees minus 70 degrees plus cos square 70 degrees is equal to tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta into cos theta by sin theta plus cot 90 degrees minus 50 degrees is equal to tan 50 degrees divided by tan 50 degrees minus cos square 90 degrees minus 70 degrees is equal to sin square 70 degrees plus cos square 70 degrees is equal to sin theta cancel, cos theta cancel is equal to 1 plus tan 50 degrees cancel is equal to 1 minus sin square 70 degrees plus cos square 70 degrees is equal to 1 is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 minus 1 is equal to 1.